In this video, we'll briefly discuss what programming languages, syntax, and semantics are. First, what is a programming language? It is a formal language that is designed to allow us humans to communicate tasks to a machine. These tasks can range from something simple, like arithmetic operations, to complex rendering of 3D graphics. Programming languages are usually English-like, that is, they have English keywords. This makes it easier for us to write programs in these languages. These programs then run through something called a compiler or interpreter, which translates it to a set of instructions that a machine can understand. Machines can only understand ones and zeros. The compiler or interpreter is also a program, and its job is to convert the program you wrote from something you can easily understand to something machines can understand. Can we skip the middleman? Can we write our code directly in ones and zeros? Yes, we can. Old school programming was done this way, but writing in a programming language is more productive since it's easier for humans to use. Next, what is syntax and what are semantics? Syntax refers to the way in which linguistic elements are put together, such as the way words are arranged in a sentence. The English language, for example, has its own syntax, which is a set of rules that dictate how we form English sentences. Consider this well-formed English sentence. The cat meows. Now consider this badly formed sentence. Cat the meows. This second sentence has recognizable English words, but incorrect syntax. The article the should come before the noun cat. This same principle applies to programming. A programming language has a set of syntax rules, which we have to follow to create well-formed programs that can eventually be translated into machine code. Programming syntax includes not just the order of keywords, but also punctuation, symbols, spaces, and indentations. Semantics refers to the study of meaning. It's concerned with the meaning of the sentences or instructions, rather than how they are formed. Consider this sentence. He ate the dessert. There's nothing wrong with the sentence structure here. The syntax is correct. Pronoun, followed by a verb, followed by an article, and then a noun. However, this is most likely not the meaning we want to convey. We probably want to say, he ate the dessert, conveying sensible meaning as well as correct structure. In programming, you will encounter both kinds of errors. You will run into syntax errors if your code doesn't follow the syntax rules of the programming language. For example, you might have misspelled some commands or missed some symbols. In these cases, the compiler or interpreter won't understand the program, and it won't run at all. You'll also get an error message showing you where the syntax error is. Semantic errors can be a little harder to fix, because these are the cases where the syntax of your program is correct, so it runs. However, it runs in a way that you did not intend. For example, you might have wanted to print hello 5 times, but instead you only print it once. These errors require a more careful inspection of your code, since unlike a syntax error, no one's going to tell you where you went wrong. The compiler can't discern your intention. It can only identify syntax errors. This ends this quick overview of programming languages and the errors you might encounter while programming. In the next lesson, we'll create our first program.